Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming credentials and server address. Those are non-negotiable. Install the GlobalProtect client with administrator rights and allow any system prompts. Once installed, open the app and enter the portal address. Make sure your internet is stable and your MFA device is nearby. If your organization uses a certificate, import it now. This gets you to the login screen quickly and prevents avoidable errors later. So complete each prerequisite before moving to the core connection steps. You enter your username and password into GlobalProtect, and then trigger the multi-factor step. Use the push or code your admin specified. Once authenticated, the client negotiates with the nearest gateway. Allow a few seconds for certificate checks and profile download. Make sure the client selects the corporate gateway, not a fallback. If prompted, approve any network change requests. When the status shows connected, verify access to an internal resource. Because the client can appear connected before routing is fully applied. You should now verify connectivity by opening an internal site or pinging a known server. This confirms routing and DNS resolution. When finished, disconnect through the GlobalProtect menu rather than killing the app. That preserves logs for later. If things fail, restart the client, re-enter credentials, and rerun MFA. Often this clears stuck sessions. If problems persist, export the client logs and contact IT. Provide timestamps, gateway name, and error codes so they can resolve configuration or certificate issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.